Hey guys, hi. I hope you guys love the new setup. This is the new setup that we've made for a new channel which is coming up. So I've been talking about inner child, I've been talking about trauma, I've been talking about how a lot of our childhood experiences affect us even when we grow up later on in life. The subconscious anchors that were formed, how to let go of those subconscious anchors. And a couple of months back, we uploaded some videos for Harvard Cycle as well. Now we're segregating between Harvard Cycle and Iron Man Lifestyle. So Iron Man Lifestyle is only going to be full of the dating content, which you guys absolutely love. And Harvard Cycle is where the deep level stuff is going to be there. Like, where does the social anxiety come from? What are the experiences that lead to us having social anxiety, that lead to us having sexual blocks, that lead to us not feeling confident, that lead to us getting frozen around attractive girls? And on top of it, the number of experiences that we have while growing up, like abandonment, neglect, bullying, shaming, trauma that happens in school because of comparison, because of when we're beaten up as a child. So many of these things, so much in-depth stuff is there. So a number of processes I've been sharing on the new channel there, which is going to be coming up very soon. I'll be sharing a number of processes there, number of guided meditation, number of releases, subconscious releases are going to be there. There will be a number of things out there helping you understand why a lot of these problems, where are they coming from, helping you understand how to let go of them, and then how you can live in a life free of all of these problems. Now, this is going to be deep inner game going on out here. Like with Pickup, we talk about outer game and we talk about inner game out here on the channel, right? Now, this goes down to into deep inner game, like even a mindset, how to change your mindset, how to go even deeper to have even more success with your pickup, with your confidence, with your game, with your relationships, and how to let go of the toxic patterns which are affecting your life right now. Now, that could be maybe at work, maybe in your relationships, maybe the way you talk to people, or anything, even patterns of procrastination, patterns of addictions, patterns of wanting to do something but feeling like you're stuck and you can't get out of that, or feelings of self-sabotage, like you're almost at the brink of success but you do something and then you sabotage yourself. And if you feel like you're stuck in this place where you just can't get out of it, Harvard Cycle is going to be the place for that. So we've segregated it. The videos on the channel are going to be live soon. I'm going to add the date out here. So you can go out there, you can subscribe and just watch the videos out there. I've got amazing things planned for you guys. And this is a new step in a new journey that I'm undertaking. We're going to have this channel out here. We're going to be changing the backdrop for this channel as well. I've got more stuff coming up for the channel as well. But till that time, you want to make use of the lockdown right now. You want to make use of you being at home right now. Go out there, subscribe to the channel. It will be absolutely amazing. Your dating life, your life in general will be amazing, and you can take more steps into getting that Iron Man lifestyle. I'll see you guys on the Harvard Cycle YouTube channel. This is Kshitij signing off. Make sure you go subscribe to the channel, spank it, smash it, demolish it. Peace out.